Meet Alex, a CRM manager who needs a reliable way to communicate with customers. Thanks to Link Mobility's integration with Microsoft Dynamics 365, managing SMS communications is effortless. Let's help Alex set up Link Mobility's SMS integration in his Dynamics account. Firstly, we navigate to the Settings menu in Dynamics 365, followed by SMS Providers, and click Add a Provider. This will take you to the Setup wizard. Next, select Link Mobility as your SMS provider of choice. In order to proceed, you'll need to accept the privacy statement and the opt-out setup statement. We confirm and move on by clicking Next. Now we simply enter the details required as provided by Link Mobility. The two URLs at the bottom of the matrix will be automatically created by Microsoft Dynamics. Make sure to send the URLs to your Link Mobility account manager or support team for finalizing the setup. Before reviewing and finishing your setup, you'll need to add at least one sender, typically referred to as a sender ID. Do this by clicking New Sender. What you write here will be the sender ID shown on your recipient's mobile phones and could be either a short code, a MSISDN, which we also sometimes call a long number, or an alphanumeric sender ID such as your brand's name like Link. Enter the details based on your preferences and click Add. Now you'll get an overview of the information you've entered during the setup process. If everything looks okay, click Done and you are ready to start sending. Ready to enhance customer communications with SMS in Dynamics? Contact us today. Our team is here to help get you started.